Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So you can see in this video, we've taken a look in this ear canal and you can see this very, very deep, dry, dark wax that's been pushed right against the eardrum, and you just love to see it. They're very, very difficult to remove, these plugs. They tend to be really, really stuck to the eardrum, stuck to the ear canal, and you can see this is all wedged down in the anterior recess as well. So we've got a bit of everything fighting against us today. So we've got, I believe I've got the standard size ulnar tube here. Now, luckily, I've popped some oil straight in before we've even gone in there with suction. I've put some oil in a hope that when, like what's happened now, when we've slightly lifted this, the rest of the oil is going to slip underneath that wax and stop it from sticking back down in there. And you can see it's starting to come away. Just to let you know, guys, there is 2 patients in this very short compilation. The second video is a really interesting one for you guys that do like your skin peels or your eardrum peels. It's a very, very interesting one to watch. So there we go. We've managed to remove a chunk of that from down off the eardrum. And you can see we've almost kind of got rid of it already. We've just got a little bit of kind of dead skin on the side there. So we've swapped, I believe, to the fine end here, just to see if this comes away nicely. We can be a bit more precise with the fine end. It's a smaller tube, and we can actually see better in the ear when we're using this. So just trying very gently to see if we get this to start peeling away. I'm hoping that the oil has actually affected this. Now you can see there's a little bit in the corner. It's just putting up a fight for us. These little bits, these very thin layers that are kind of left in this area. As usual, if you've followed the page, you know that this area, this section of the ear canal is very, very uncomfortable if we touch the ear canal. Luckily, you can see there, as we've got a slight little grip, we've just managed to completely just pull this away from the eardrum without any issues. So I just seen there was a very little tiny thin piece of skin that was left there, but that's absolutely fine. So there we go. This was before and this is after. Patient hearing so much better. So we've got a little tiny little sort of 1/4 of an inch little piece of wax that's come away there, but it's made so much so much of a difference. I can't even get my words out right. This is the one, guys. So at first glance, you can kind of see there's that little bit that's kind of sticking out from where the eardrum is. Now, as you can tell, there's a little sort of almost like a little bruise on the ear canal where the patient's used a bit of cotton bud Q-tip. Now, this particular patient, I did actually show her the video afterwards, so and I think she is a fan of the page as well. So if you're watching, hello. The reason this patient came in to see us, she was just getting some water trapped in the ear and was finding it very difficult to remove. So straight away you can see this is all suctioning away from the eardrum. Now, it almost looks done. It almost looks complete. It looks like we've almost finished the job already, but take a look at this in a second. Actually, I think I come out of the ear first before I do that. Nope. Here we go. We've managed to get a little bit more to peel away there. Now you can see right above the suction tube as well. It's all starting to peel away. Here we go. Yep, a little bit from the top there. So we're going to try and pull this away from the side here now. Okay, we've removed that bit. So again, it looks done. To the standard eye, it looks done. But I could still see a slight discoloration to the ear canal, to the eardrum. And you can see with those little light reflexes we're looking at there, there's a few, they're all kind of dotted around. Now, usually we only tend to see one. So there's still something there. So we've got the fine end that we're going in with here. And I'm just very, very gently gonna just touch up against the eardrum and watch this. Here we go. You can see it starting to peel away. Look at that. That's taking all that remaining bit that we couldn't actually see. Excellent. So there we are. That's looking so much better. So this was before, and this is the after shot. There's no ruler shot for the second video, guys. As you could tell, it all just suctioned into the tube, so there was actually nothing that came out on the ruler. So yeah, that was the video, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Again, don't forget to keep liking the page, and I shall see you on the next one. Thank you very much.